up with the sunlight on my face. The smell of coffee fills the place. Another chance.
Diba? Saan na tayo? Morning. Bakit? Hi. Ano? Ano? Ano kasi privacy? Di, magtingin muna tayo ng ano, diba? Sige. Kagabi ba, nagsulat kasi ako ng mga pangalan sa libro. Tapos hindi ko alam, sabi ko, hindi sabi mo na sa akin wala pa. Ano? Mahili lang yung ano? Sa cover? Hindi ko na ako nag-cover. Sticker lang. Hindi ko lang sa shop. Hindi na ako nag-cover kasi isang taon pagkadating, wala na, hindi mo na magagamit ng libro. Wala na cover. Ha? Oo, kahit ano? Tapos di naman magagamit. Uy, dito guys. Uy, dito tayo. Yes! Ha? Oo.
Woke up with the sunlight on my face. The smell of coffee fills the place. Another chance to start again. To dream, to laugh, to break, to mend. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things I find my way. Every simple day in my life. Walking down these crowded streets with every stranger story meets.
Price 420 pala, 420.
Can we watch Final Destination?
Ano?
Can we watch Final Destination?
Saan yun? Ha? Ano yun? Saan yun?
Ito siya gusto niya.
Saan? Saan? Final Destination? Yung Final Destination? Wag daw yun. Pinagpawisan ka. Tanggalin mo kayong jacket mo. Wala pa kasi mag-buy muna tayong ticket. Ano? Stitch na lang eh. Wala ring Minecraft. Mission Impossible. Merong Mission Impossible.
Elon's kids.
Ha?
Elon.
Yun na lang? Ah, sige, yun na lang daw. Ah. Ito ba? Ganito? Masarap ba to? Parang Coco Coco Crunch.
Please.
220? Ano to? Ganito na? Diretso na?
Apo, ready to eat.
Ah, ready to eat na. Okay. Tapos ano nga? Ah, gusto ko yung ano? Ito. Magkano nga ano dito?
150 pa po natin.
100 grams, 150. Ito na lang. Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate. Ano yun? May spoon na yan sa loob? Or wala? Ah, ano sa kanila? Popcorn? Wala nga spoon. Sa bahay na lang. Wala tayong kutsara. Asan tayo magbiling popcorn? Ayun doon, popcorn. Ay, potato fries. Saan? Ah, ayun pala. Wala na ito. Trust. Eh, asan na ba yung bayad? Palang kaguwang.
I want to eat.
Ha? Wag na. Ito ah. Paano na natin madala yan? Lagay mo yung sticker mo dyan sa loob. Akin yung chocolate beef.
My mommy wanna buy me sprayer sour.
Oh. Thank you.
Sana dala ko na yung mommy ko.
Ha?
Sana dala ko na yung mommy ko.
Tayo.
Tara na.
Ah! Saan tayo? Saan tayo kakain? Dali na. Uy. Kakain pa tayo, kakain. Naghanap kami ng makainan. Nag-ikot-ikot kami dahil maghanap ng makainan.
You know, now is 11,000 subscribers.
Ha?
You know Saway? Saway?
Shaway?
Yes.
Hindi.
She have up to 11 subscribers of TikTok.
Ah, si ano? Yung idol mo?
That's Oway.
Oh, way.
Yeah, for TikTok. Saway is from YouTube. Saway for YouTube.
Kakain muna kami bago mag-ano.
Dito ka.
Bago mag-cinema.
Para may maganda daw kasama. Dalawa kami simpleng ang ganda eh.
Saan ba tayo?
Doon na lang tayo.
Woke up with the sunlight on my face. The smell of coffee fills the place. Another chance to start again. To dream, to laugh, to break, to mend. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things I find my way. Every simple day in my life. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things I find my way. Every simple day in my life. As the stars light up the sky, I breathe it in, I don't ask why. The beauty of the ordinary holds the magic that I carry. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things I find my way. Every simple day in my life. Woke up with the sunlight on my face. The smell of coffee fills the place. Another chance to start again. To dream, to laugh, to break, to mend. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things.
A few moments later.
Ano na? Ano? Bakit? Asan ba pa? Saan natin ano yan? Hoy, bibili ba? Shh, bibili tayo?
Inumin.
Ha?
Inumin.
Ha, inumin?
Yung popcorn sa natin kukunin. Ang na yata.
Sa akin.
Natin.
Dali na, akin na. Nasaan ang pizza? Akin na, akin na.
Ito ba sa inyo?
Wait lang.
O, hati na lang.
Ito, akin, akin. Oh, dalhin mo yan. Oh, yan. Dalhin mo na lang yan sa akin. Bibi, dalhin mo yung water container mo. Dahil nahirapan ako. Tara na.
Sa loob po na kami.
Pasok, 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 pasok.
Wow, scary.
Scary. Ano kayo nalaglag?
Hoy, mama.
Mama.
Hindi ako naman mag-breathe. I
Ha?
can't breathe. My ears can't breathe. My ears can't even breathe.
Bakit can't breathe?
My ears can't breathe.
Alam, madilim.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ay, tayo pa lang ah. Tayo pa lang ah.
God! My ears can't breathe because my ears can't somehow too quiet. Oh, you told her. What?
Woke up with the sunlight on my face. The smell of coffee fills the place. Another chance to start again.
One eternity later.
Laugh, to break, to mend. It's just a day in my life. Moments come and moments fly. In the little things I find my way. Every simple day in my life. walking down these crowded streets with every stranger a story meets. The highs, the lows, they all belong to the rhythm.
One eternity later.
Yan na. Ano ba sa'yo? Nagkakape kayo?
Hi, Daddy.
Video tayo.
Oh my God, Sardina! Oh my God, wow!
Quiet, quiet. Wow! Ayan, bakit nandito pala tayo dumaan? Bakit nandito tayo?
Ouch! Ouch!
Wala. Dito pala tayo magabang? Nawala. Shh. Madam, dito tayo. Ay, saan ba? Sa harap pala tayo, umano. Ay, pwede na pala duman dito.
The movie was so heartbreaking. It made
Oh.
me cry.
Oo. Wala yan, dito sa saan yan.
Hindi tayo sagasana sa pedestrian lanes na.
Sila magbigay ng daan natin. Ayan, pauwi na tayo.
Yes! Jen,
Saan tayo?
I'm about to die.
Anong dahil? Dito yata. Dito yata tayo. Dito.
Mom, I'm about to die. I'm about to My foot is
Ha?
about to die.
Bili mo na tayong ticket. Pipila pa tayo.
My foot is about to die. It's going to die. My foot is going to die.
Pipila pa ba dito?